Hey, I'm Pam Thompson with Food Fitness First. Today we're going to be doing eggplant parmesan. As a dietitian, I get questions all the time about diabetes. People want to know what to do so they don't raise their blood sugar. Today, we're going to fix a meal that's not only healthy for patients with diabetes, but also healthy for the whole family. Okay, now you take your eggplant and you dredge it in your egg whites, or if you choose to use your whole egg with the yolk. And now we put it in our breadcrumbs and try to get it as evenly as possible. Some people like a thicker coating, but I like it pretty thin. And then you're ready. So what you do now is you bake it in the oven at 350 for 10 minutes. We baked the eggplant in the oven for 10 minutes. And now we're going to add the tomato sauce, trying to get it as evenly as possible over the breaded eggplant. Isn't that a gorgeous red color? And now what we're going to do is sort of take the spatula and try to get it as even as we can. Okay, and now we have the mozzarella and the Parmesan, which are both low fat. And we're going to sprinkle these. And if you don't like these cheeses, you can use any cheese that you'd like to add. And now you bake it in the oven at 350 for about 20 or 25 minutes. And it's awesome, and especially for patients with diabetes.